Yeah, this wasn't like that before. Lava river. See how fast it's going over there. Wow, it's really going for it. Yeah, now the lava chamber is definitely full, or like the pool seems like the lava has found a better path to go its way. So if you want to see where it's actually going, it's just going right down here and kind of stops on this part until they get more volume, I guess. Yeah, this is how it looks facing straight down, 90 degrees. You can see here that the new lava that's coming down, it's starting to push the lava that already cooled down. So that's how it moves. If it's too dark, just let me know. It might be a bit dark actually, because we are facing down from the sun. I think this might be better. But yeah, you can see it now that it's really starting to push hard. Car-sized lava blocks flowing gently down. Yep. I thought something interesting was going on there. We actually have to go and change battery though. So I will just go up this direction. So we get a little bit more of the lava river. And then I wanna take the next battery also and go over there. Because yeah, this is actually really cool. Because here is actually something happening. As you guys can see, like, see the rocks flowing down here? Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be changing battery and we will get right back to the lava river inspection.